to be the mother of dancehall artiste Shaneil Muir.
Me I know your mother, auntie big one of your mother. Go suck your man, go. Go back, go do your blood clot, but you feel bumbo clot umpty dump.
A few moments later.
Me need for some appearance.
2,000 years later.
Me no say nothing when you go talk about see the devil rise again. Don't call me devil. And you just expect me if you just lie down so make people just say anything, you know how much people come.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan. You know say, I like them thing. I like see when artists, private life, family thing out there in the media. I may have something to say to Shaneil Muir. Because the reason why I say Shaneil Muir is because she have a career and she have a brand where that would have feed her family. And I never know say there was a war going for about 2 years now with she and her mother. But I think one voice note did come out. You understand? One voice note did come out. I want to hear the voice note, people. You understand? I really want to hear the voice note and what go on.
Me I know your mother.
To be the mother of dancehall artiste Shaneil Muir.
Me I know your mother, auntie big one of your mother. Go suck your man, go. Oh, you pray to God or somebody else, because you ain't going back in reggae, right? You ain't going to say no fuck or no cock or no, but you're going back and do the same thing. It better if you go do your body. Because same like you go back, go do your blood clot, but you feel bumbo clot umpty dump.
Yo, people. Yo, it don't even sound good, yo. May I tell you, Shaneil Muir and her mother, I don't know, but I just feel like Shaneil Muir, for just be the bigger picture, because she's the one who, in the public, the more celebrity and everything. You understand? And I see like her mother, I don't know what, like, she have something to say, so. You see it?
That's true. And I say to you, say, me don't know why you vex with me at a time when me sick. Me never tell the people that me sickness. Me just when say at a time when me sick. Me tell you say you're growing up one beautiful girl but without a heart for me. That is what I said in the letter. Me no say nothing when you go talk about see the devil rise again. Don't call me devil. And you just expect me if you just lie down so make people just say anything. You know how much people come out to put me on my page when me get up the morning and me say, here, mother of the year, let me give you some highlight. Me think you're good sitting call me crochet. So me and friend them now say, yeah, me get some people feel like me crochet. I'm go see they start coming for me. Yeah, they start coming for me.
Alright, people, I don't like see this. Because me I realize you see, me I realize Shaneil Muir mother vent, you understand about the situation, I think like 2 years ago or so. And she did forward out about her mother and say, a bag of things. You understand? But according to the media, she should, you know, her mother sick. She have cancer, right? And you know, all me have to say, Shaneil Muir have a brand, she's an artist. You know, just be the bigger person, you know. At the end of the day, your mother, and I know you know want for hear say yo, she go up on the next side of life. You understand? You know, might not good and thing, but I just not like see a daughter and the mother back and forth on the media. The bringing down the worse, the mother sick, you understand? And you know, you can reason with that behind the media. Like, I feel like, and this can even damage Shaneil Muir brand. Like, this is not the first time, you know. I remember when Shaneil Muir and her boyfriend did forward out one bag of drama and everything. Remember say Shaneil Muir come out one time and say she done with dancehall, she go gospel. And then after that, she start sing about the same song them and everything. You understand? So when I feel like Shaneil Muir, you can see, you know, based on them I say, yo, another mother grow her or whatsoever. The mother say, yo, father take away Shaneil Muir from her, and you know, but I feel like to me see it and I saw Shaneil Muir react, I feel like she kinda need. I don't know, maybe she a go through a therapy thing, and but I can see it like she maybe have a anger towards her mother based on them I say, based on what the father tell her and all of these things. You understand? Yeah, but I don't like the back and forth thing, and Shaneil Muir, she have the brand. Her mother not have no brand. You understand? She more have the brand where secure that, go behind doors and your mother sort out what for sort out. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, your mother make your day here and thing. You understand? You can just deal your mother settle the thing. Because it seemed to me like why the mother found out, it seemed to me like she must send a cease and desist from her mother. Some liar thing or whatsoever. You understand? So me see some people found out and I talk about
Queenie, cause me grow. Me not pick up the Queenie, cause me grow with them. Like me know them. Yes, me know. But cute. If my father take me away from my mother and corrupt my mind, all right, now me come of age now, me live with my mother 1 year. That's supposed to make me can say, yo, daddy really corrupt me now, mommy so nice. Can you come of age now? You have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. If you don't know how smart Shaneil is, Shaneil sit down for over 15 or more subject. When me come America and me book up she back up here, Suzette. And me say Suzette, they go down, Suzette turn to me and say, Natasha Shaneil have over 17 subject down there they take, and me can't work at Jamaica and pay for them. So me go stay back and work money and send go pay for Shaneil subject them. If she was a fucking wicked mother, God forgive me, would she even try to help her child? When Shaneil come America, there was a little obstacle in a Shaneil way pertaining to Upper Hospital. And if she was a wicked mother, her auntie make that happen to her, and if she was a wicked mother, would she send her own friend to go sign off certain paper if she could have come up?
people, this man I like, You see these bag of private thing, like them thing you have to just come off of the media, man. People don't need to know these things. Like them things are supposed to settle in a family business off of the internet. Something of a dip on the media, man. You understand? Something of a dip on the media. This only a damage people mentality, people brand and all of them something there. You understand? Come here, see it in the people. I say, yo, John, what this again? Cause last time I see Shaneil Muir, she and her boyfriend back and forth. I talk about furniture and money and this and that. Now, a mother thing forward, back up, and yo, dog, like, come on, man. I see Shaneil Muir as a good daughter and me like a good person where does music and she do quality music. She have the vocals and everything. Seeing? But right now, I feel like, to me, listening to her mother, it's just that the mother just want her daughter for just reason with her and certain little things, She could have just be the bigger person and just reach out to her mother. Cause right now, you can see her mother sick and she a cry upon the thing, and I just feel like, I don't know, this back and forth thing ain't really work. Cause I understand sometimes people can not have nobody for reason with and they want clear something and them just vent to the internet rather than sit down and stress out and all of them little thing there. You understand? Cause you see people they on the live with her and talk something where you shouldn't even host in the media. You understand? So Shaneil Muir, for just call your mother and say, yo, go we sit down and talk about the situation and allow the media thing. You understand? I don't like them thing, man. I don't like see parents and kids at war. You understand? I don't like them thing there. You see it?
And our green card because they were black Shaneil green card, Reason why they did it because of certain things that happened when she was younger and the auntie do something and they couldn't come. And for me sitting for talk about that, the mother for talk about that the part there. And the lady goes to stay in America, so call his friend and say, yo, do this and that for me daughter. Cause she call her mother and say, Mommy, me can't get to come because of Rere and Tete. And the mother said, if she was a wicked mother, come on, me can't deal with no mother, so you would. The one make this cannot drop. One make the Shaneil big enough you can say, yo, drop this. And make me and my mother live good with the rest of siblings, them youth. This need to be done. You understand? And the reason why me attack because me grow around Queenie. See, alright, me grow around Queenie, me grow around her them. Me know how them stay. You understand? You never hear Queenie mouth yet. Me live in a flanker, you never hear her mouth yet. You never hear Queenie in an argument. Easy to ball and shame. So me not look no.
Yes, me understand what you're saying, Natasha.
Me can't find your behavior.
Yo, people, I'ma tell you, them situation are going in enough family, You understand? Even me and my people them follow more while like my auntie and so, seeing. But just rate them from far. Me now come up on the media and bring them down or whatsoever certain little things. You understand? If me see them, me just heal and go through. Oh, bless up, that's it. But me now go mingle and way. You understand? If we buck up in each other, adjust so. You see, you now go bring them down in the media and all of them little thing there. But this family thing and private thing I come up on the media thing, that can easily solve, man. That can easily solve. That's why I say, yo, Shaneil Muir have the bigger audience where she could have control. Because look now, if her mother go talk something about Shaneil Muir fans are go attack she. And a Shaneil Muir have the member in her mother sick, And She a breakdown on the internet and all of them little thing there. She should have, make her fans your mother, it no matter what if you're not follow out. You can't see people them deal with her. So it no matter if you're not follow her, she treat you bad. Your mother at the end of the day. You see me? And at the end of the day, she did it for you. Some part in your life and she make you exist on the earth today. You understand? So at least show a little respect. So look at your fans this. My fans, when I really want to know, this or whatsoever. Like this. You see me? So this should just half of the media people. You see me? I really like this. You see me? But I think I see one clip like Shaneil already found out and say something. You see me? I want to know here what go on.
Take serious cases. I just want to know if no lawyer over here will take serious cases like I need to sue my parents. Because I refuse to believe them come out of feed them mother and father, come see our life hard and bring me night. I just
Yo, I don't know any people. You see me? I don't really know what go on. But see your next clip here. You see me?
No man, what you want to go come man? And that's something easy me to talk about, This
You feel your pain, feel your pain.
Like me to talk about,
I feel your pain. You have to spill your gut, you see it. I hear the talk and say make tears come off me here because battling what we are battle and I go through a lot of stress, not easy. And if you deal with cancer and if you go through this with your kids where you need your support, you're not getting the support where you need from your family, say African. You understand? So me know you even no care what your mother do in this world, your mother go through a serious sickness, you give your mother attention. Your mother
give no attention like that. Me don't want to lie down in a lap and you understand? But
attention doesn't mean lie down in a lap, queen.
Yeah, me understand, but
come on.
We definitely they tell us the kind of attention what people don't
care what my mother name I still the breast. I don't care what the world me and my mother could have. From me ears, so my mother sick no week.
So it look like to me, the voice note I'm play look like other voice note there. Shaneil Moore make it reach out there something somehow. You understand? Because it seemed to me at that her mother sent her, but it reached out there somehow. So any reaching out to the public out of she because as she sent it to. You understand? Based on how the mother talk. You see me? So it reached out there and then you understand put her mother out there like that and that should have just deal with I know she may be hurt, but I am mad at this. You understand? Should I just deal with that after here? It just not look good, people, Our mother up on the internet a ball. Remember, our mother is not a celebrity, She's just a mother of a celebrity. So it's like your mother insert out there, it don't even look good. It don't look good. And worse, you say her mother sick and have cancer and she a breakdown on the internet. You understand? And our mother maybe just don't want to look them type of way there. So she maybe just, because sometimes when I see people on the media, people, sometimes them just not nobody for reason with and them just want venting rather than sit down in the house and stress or maybe commit something, suicide, something. You understand? But we just don't like that energy of people. Shaneil Moore should have just, just do the thing half the year as the person where in the public more, should have just deal with that.
Don't care. And from speaking from a mother to a mother, all people do it. All people hate them pitney and all pitney hate them mother. Like me not get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Just and cancer no work. You have stage 3, me have stage 4. Cancer. Feel it in your lungs and the power liver. Me know why you stress yourself. Me know why you stress yourself. You understand?
Anytime you see this girl and him come up, me don't know if I true. Maybe so attached to her. But
because she was the only one here with you in America. And because she went back and forth from country to Mobile to Flanka, being together in America, get this attachment. You get so attached to her.
She went live with me before we come up here. When we come up here, she live with. You understand? So at age of 13, 14, she can't live with me because people never want him back. Because certain things. So we actually get her, they know. But me
know. What year Shaneil come live with you? 13, 14, right?
13, yeah, when they go Mobile high school.
Okay, so she grew up with her father and did a back and forth between Flanka to Lucy.
She have time when she come look for me. When we go for her, she spend time with me and then we carry her back for her. Yeah, because even though her father people him and her father we have and grandmother, me decide to say grandmother to keep her because she used to go the yard down there before,
So you weren't absent all her life. You still went present.
Yeah.
So why them kill you? Why don't want to lady for do? What do want the lady to do? To go kill herself? Her daughter bring her out on the media. First of all, me not bring her mother out on the media. No, the lady come and talk her truth. What do want the lady to do? Go kill herself?
Me don't know what they want.
And the people on the internet for go, man. And you can't deal with people, so.
Me don't look for you and can't
I want nada. Only thing to deal with cancer and stress,
like,
easy.
It's not like say me not hear me pitney, you know. It's just that her attitude and what she do to me, I don't know nothing easy for me deal with it. Some people might say you're the bash her, me not bash her, me just talk the facts, truth what me live. Or she behave when
Daniel is not the first child. Daniel is not the he is the third child. First of all, this name have to come out on the media if he never put it out there because the mother went up be silent and low key and then put it out there. So the woman come to clear her name. She come to clear her name.
A lot of people, hold on, Natasha. A lot of people in the comments are say, you don't grow her as our granny grow her, but people have to know that our father carry her to court and take her from you.
What else should I do?
Tell them that. Because no, them the people understand because they must say you don't grow her. But if our father carry her court and the court give her over to him, you don't have a choice. Our father carry her court and take her from you.
Thank you.
It better you give him to a father than give him to stranger. So you did a good thing. You say you could have managed. You say you could have managed 3 picnic.
The father is the biggest problem in it. Him a poison.
Sash is the first child.
He never have to take question from me, you know. He never have to take question, but you see the fact
the father caused all of this, you know. The father caused all of this because the father make it look like she's a bad mother. You know, when I left some man, them pies of the pit in the mind. And when some woman leaves some man, them pies of the pit in the mind. Everybody know. I hate that problem.
You see the fact that she don't grow with me? Like, grow with me, like, every day we sleep in the same bed. Because that's the only difference. Like, we're not in the same bed. You understand? So, the fact that she don't grow with me, so when she come around me now, we try to put out
listen, you have to make the people them know because people been in the comment section and answer that question. If she grow with you.
Yo, people. I don't know, yeah, man. Shaneil, Muir, all I have to say to you, just call your mother. You understand? Look on her expression and thing. You know, just call her. You know, she have a stage 3 cancer. And, you know, it don't look good. You know, would advise, you know, I would want to see my mother out there on the internet event and say she needs somebody for, you know, just call your mother and just do the right thing and, you know, get this off of the media. Like, allow the media thing. Like, I don't want to see then when you look the father come out and I say this, then you come out and I say this again, then the other siblings come out. You know, this family thing, man, just them thing they do it private, man. You understand? I don't like see them private thing you come out on the media like that. Who family, if I saw them thing they did in a family court and all of them look at thing, is it? But people, Jano, I see the situation I'm here for you, Jano, it don't even look good, man. It don't sound good, man. So Shaneil, Muir, call your mother and just sort out certain things. You understand? Yeah, just be the bigger person and just deal with it. It don't look good. May I tell you? You understand? Do what you have to do and sort out the situation. You know, as they must say, and the people must say, you kind of push your mother out there to the public and everything. You see me? So just sort it out. Is it? And then get to your career and thing. And, you know, people, I don't know, you know, one media fox, you know, yeah, man, that is it.